morning, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. So today I'm doing a vlog on my family's Thanksgiving field day. Mark is over here helping me. I see him over there working. That boy working. Right now we're making Haitian patties, and I just made some banana pudding. Y'all already know the family requested banana pudding. Okay. Right now we're doing the mini Haitian patties. We got the beef, chicken, and hot dogs cooked and ready, and the boiled eggs right here on the side. You already know the Haitian patties that I have the boiled eggs. Let me show y'all these pickles I made the other day. Y'all, I made this the other day. This is gonna go in the patties. That flavor gotta get in there. But y'all, been sitting for like 2 days. But let me get started on these patties because family waiting right now. See y'all later.
Right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you're like fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since we let loose,
it's so cute. Hey y'all, so we are all done cooking. I'm gonna show you guys the patties and the banana pudding, and we're gonna get ready to leave to go to Mark's mom's house first, and then we're gonna go to John Prince Park to get lit with my family. But y'all, let me show y'all the patties. So these are the beef patties. I think I made like 8 of these. These are the hot dog patties. And I think there's about like 7 or 8 of the hot dog patties. And this is the chicken one. I think I made like freaking 10 of the chicken one. And I was like, this should be enough for everybody. This is like 30 patties. Y'all, it took some work to make this, okay? But it's gonna taste really good. Everyone's gonna enjoy it, and I cannot wait to see everyone's reaction. And y'all, this is how the pudding looks. It looks so good. I know my family is gonna enjoy this, like how they did it on my last vlog for 4th of July. They killed this banana pudding so quick. It was crazy. As you guys can see, we made it home. We're finally eating. Mine is in the microwave. And today was such a fun day. I was trying to like record as much as possible, but I just wanted to be in the moment. Once again, like I always say in all my vlogs, I love being in the moment, because like being with family like that is just, it's great. It is a great thing, a great feeling. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my plate. So y'all, this is my plate, and y'all, this is all Haitian food. This is pink salad, which is just beets, potatoes, carrots, and a couple other ingredients that are in there. And this is yellow rice, and this is Dijon mushroom rice. And I could have got more stuff. My boyfriend got, let me see what he got. Good morning, guys. I'm currently at church, and I just wanted to end the vlog off correctly because I did not get any footage of the rest of the night because we went to sleep, y'all. We was tired. So, and then the next couple days, you know, I had to go back to doing hair and stuff. So finally got some time to sit down and relax and eat some Doritos at church. I just wanted to end the vlog here. I don't know when I'm gonna do another vlog. I've been doing a lot more hair tutorials, and I think I like doing that better, but I'll do vlogs here and there. The next vlog will probably be like Christmas, and if I have something going on in between, I'm definitely gonna vlog it and drop it for you guys. But my next video is gonna be on a microlock retighten, so keep a lookout for that next Monday. You already know I'm gonna drop it. All right, have a great day. Buenas noches. All right, y'all.